Welcome to RecTV Education. For latest general knowledge and current affairs updates, please subscribe to RecTV Education. And presently we learn about emergency provisions and governors of the states. So here we have top 10 questions and frequently asking questions, most important questions for the emergency provisions and governors of the states, about the governors of the state. National emergency is declared under which of the following articles? Article 358, Article 352, Article 359, Article 360. So right answer is Article 352. The national emergency is declared under Article 352. And second one, national emergency proclamations is issued in case of armed rebellion, external aggression, war, all the above. The answer is all the above. So national emergency can be issued in case of armed rebellion, external aggression or war. Proclamation of emergency under Article 352 is issued by which one of the following? Prime Minister, President, Defense Minister, Home Minister. The right answer is President. So the emergency under Article 352 is issued by the President. The question number 4. Emergency under Article 356 is imposed by which one of the below? Prime Minister, Governor, Vice President, President. Right answer is President. So the emergency under Article 356 is imposed by President. And the question number 5. Financial emergency is imposed under which article? Article 354, Article 365, Article 367, Article 360. The right answer is Article 360. So the financial emergency is imposed under Article 360. In real sense, the governor of the state is appointed by the president on the advice of the following: Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Vice President, Chief Justice. So its the answer is Prime Minister. So governor of the state is appointed by this president on the advice of the Prime Minister. Okay. And the 7th, the governor of the state can be removed by which one of the following? Chief Minister, Prime Minister, Union Home Minister, President. Who is have an authority to remove governor of the state? It's President. President can be removed by governor can be removed by the President. And 8th one, which of the following are the discretionary powers of which of the following are the discretionary powers of the governor? It's selection of chief minister, provide advice to president regarding president rule in the concerned state, returning back to the bill to the state legislature for reconsideration. All of the above. So what is the authority of governor? The right answer is all the above. So all three statements are true in the discretionary powers of governor. Selection of chief minister he can do. Provide advice to the president regarding president's rule in the constituted state, and also he can return the bill to the state legislature for reconsideration also. It's equal how the president behaves in the central level, governor same level of powers will be there for the governor in the state level. And ninth one, among which of the following are appointed by the governor? Advocate General, Chief Secretary of the State, Vice Chancellor of the universities, all of the above. That's the right answer is all of the above. So the governor can appoint Advocate General, Chief Secretary, alage Vice Chancellor, the same way Vice Chancellors of the universities. The 10th question. Which one of the following article deals with the governor of the states? Article 150, Article 153, Article 165, Article 167. Which article deals with the governor of states? It's Article 153. So Article 153 deals with the governor of states. Thanks for watching Active Education. If you like this video, please like, and any suggestions please comment and comment line, and also share the video to your friends. Please subscribe for more updates, and also don't forget to hit on bell button to directly receive latest videos to your mobile. Thanks again to watching the video.